1. Saucony Women's Guide 8 Running Shoe. Textile. Imported. Rubber sole. Running shoe with mesh and synthetic upper featuring padded tongue and collar. Pregrid full-length cushioning. SRC impact zone. Durable Ibra Plus midfoot outsole pods. Traction outsole with smart wearing XD900 compound. 2. Saucony Women's Kinvara 5 Running Shoe. Man-made. Imported. Synthetic sole. Lace-up running shoe featuring seamless flex film upper with padded tongue and collar. 4 mm heel-to-toe drop. Pro Lock flexible fit technology. Power grid full-length cushioning. Run dry chafe resistance lining. 3. Timberland Women's Nellie Double Waterproof Ankle Boot. Leather. Imported. Rubber sole. Shaft measures approximately 4.25 inches from arch. Heel measures approximately 1 inch. Waterproof ankle boot featuring padded collar and lace-up closure with rust-resistant eyelets and EVA cushioned midsole. 4. Vans Unisex Authentic Trademark Low Pro Sneaker. Canvas. Imported. Rubber sole. Shaft measures approximately 2.25 inches from arch. An old-school lace-up. Low profile ensures a perfect place in any wardrobe. Snug lace-up closure for a custom fit. 5. Sanuk Women's Yoga Mat Flip-Flop. Synthetic. Imported. Rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 0.75 inches. Platform measures approximately 0.5 inches. Cushioned thong flip-flop featuring yoga mat footbed and contrast print lining on strap. 6. Adidas Outdoor Women's AX2 Hiking Shoe. Textile and synthetic. Imported. Rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 1 inches. Sock liner, molded sock liner to enhance comfort and fit. Midsole, lightweight EVA midsole for long-term cushioning. Outsole, super high traction rubber for optimal grip in wet conditions. 5 mm lug height. 7. Vibram Women's KSO Evo Cross Training Shoe. Synthetic. Imported. Synthetic sole. Lightly padded tongue and speed lacing system. Serrated blade lug design. XS Trek outsole. Zero drop. Machine wash cold. Air dry. 8. Vans Unisex Old School Skate Shoe, 7.5 bm US Women, 6 dm US Men, black/black. Fabric and synthetic. Women 7.5, men 6. 9. K Swiss Women's Tubes Run 100 Athletic Shoe. Textile. Rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 1.5 inches. Mesh and synthetic leather uppers. Tubes midsole technology. Lightweight. Durable rubber outsole. Padded collar and tongue for comfort. 10. Teva Women's Hurricane XLT Sandal, Hazel Black, 9 US. Water-ready polyester webbing. Imported. Rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 1 inch. Platform measures approximately 0.75 inches. Note: W on the product box and product denote women's and not width sizing.